Apple crumble is a traditional British pudding or dessert. It is cheap, easy to make, and it tastes delicious. A crumble has fruit at the bottom with a topping made of flour, butter and sugar. Let's make an apple crumble together. First, switch on your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Here are the ingredients for the top layer of your crumble. 250 grams of flour, 175 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 150 grams of sugar. Put the flour, baking powder and butter into your mixing bowl. Now we're going to rub in the butter. To rub in butter, you need to take the butter and flour and rub with your fingers like this. Keep rubbing until all of the flour is mixed with butter and there is no dry flour in your bowl. It should look like this. Then add your sugar and mix some more. To make the bottom layer of your crumble, you need 8 apples and 5 or 6 tablespoons of sugar. I am making crumble for my whole family, so I'm going to use a large baking dish. If you live alone, you could use half of the ingredients and a small baking dish. The cooking time will be the same. Next, we need to peel and slice our apples. This is known as a vegetable peeler, but of course we can peel apples with it too. Cut your apples into thin slices, like this. Then place them in your baking dish. Sprinkle a tablespoon of sugar over your apples and another layer of apples. Add another tablespoon of sugar. Repeat until you have used up all the apples. When you have finished slicing your apples, you can spread the crumble mixture on top. Make sure that all of the apples are covered with crumble mixture. Put your crumble in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. Here is my finished crumble. I think the best way to eat apple crumble is with custard. Custard is a sweet sauce that tastes of milk and vanilla. Tell me in the comments if you made the crumble. How did it taste? This one is delicious.